Hi, I'm Carsten and welcome to Alldone. Alldone helps you to achieve your goals, and today I want to show you how. Let's start with tasks. So task is what you have here. Um, it's super simple. You can add a new task here. You can also just click into it again if you want to edit it. You can swipe left to quickly postpone it to some other day, and then it will show up here in later tasks. You can swipe right to open the detail view, add description and other things. And when you click into it, you have these quick buttons here, but you can also just click here on the ... and, for example, do advanced things like recurring task and basically say this should be every day. And whenever you check it off, a new one will be created on the right. So the general idea is that you can even use the empty inbox principle here if you want to. So just check off things you did for today, or swipe left to postpone it somewhere else. And then when you're done, you have empty inbox and you can be happy and relaxed. So that's tasks. Let's now go to goals. Goals helps you to plan your life, your projects. So you can basically define milestones and say until that time I want to have these major things ready. You also just add a new goal, like you add a new task. And then you can add tasks to a goal. So do this thing. And when you now go into the task overview, you see these goals also in your list. So it's all in one view. And you can, for example, add a progress there, add new tasks, and so on. So really super easy to plan your thing. So for now, let's go to notes, and for this we're going to create a new project just to show how easy it is. So we created this new project here. You click on notes and all you get here is an empty list of notes, and we can easily create a new note and just start typing. That's it. So for example, I'm using it all the time for meeting notes. For this, you even have this button here to add a date, meeting with X. And then I just do things we discussed here. And what's really amazing for me is that you can actually create a task also directly in a note. So call Paul, and then this is a real task which also shows up in my task inbox. So here, if I click here, it's a new task which comes from this note. So that's really super easy, and this is like completely inline, so you can just continue to normally use your meeting notes. So that's notes. And by the way, you can also easily share this note with somebody else. Just copy this link, give this link to somebody else, and they can access it. Next up is contacts. So contacts is a very simple, it's like an address book. Yeah, you can just add a new person. You can give them a role. Company X, met him at the Met Gala, or wherever you met that person, and then this helps you remember it. The cool thing here is that this also integrates with the notes. So let's say you can easily make notes for this and basically have a little CRM. But what you can also do is just swipe left here and then create a task, which is, for example, every 3 months. So for example, if you want to reach out to this person every 3 months, you just created a regular task which will remind you every 3 months to go for lunch with this person. So next thing I want to show you is chats. So super easy. You have a list of topics just like in WhatsApp or anything else. Just click into it and you can chat with other people in the same project. So if you invite those, you can also create a new topic just as what you would expect. So last thing I want to show you is here what you see at the top. Here's your level. If you do stuff, you level up. You check off things, you get a little bit of gold, and here's some statistics if you click into it and you see what you have been doing, what you have been up to. So with that, I hope Alldone helps you to achieve your goals. Just click around, explore, and get it all done. Enjoy.